Meet the millipede, a fascinating creature with a lot of legs. Despite its name, millipedes don't actually have 1,000 legs. They can have anywhere from 30 to 400 legs depending on the species. When threatened, millipedes curl up into a tight ball to protect themselves. These detritivores play an important role in the ecosystem by breaking down dead plant material. So the next time you are out in the woods, keep an eye out for these fascinating creatures with their many legs and important role in the environment.